pulling up at the yard. Let's check out. Let's see. What we got for a machine. Well, I'm a cat man, but Cat didn't have a machine for my guys to rent, and we rented a Bobcat, and the guys really liked it. They said they liked it more than the fucking cats. So yeah, let's see what we got here, guys. Size bucket do you think that is? What is that? A little Kubota? Is that what Bobcat runs, those Kubotas? I say, hmm. Oh. 72. You know what I don't like with having different equipment though is that nothing matches. So it's an 84. Yeah, that is a smaller bucket. I say, that is a smaller bucket, folks. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see. So this is a keyless. See if I can figure this out. Well, that's not it. Aha! Aha! So I don't know if it had anything to do with that belt buckle. Oh, there's some keys in here that don't go for anything. God damn it. I hate those fucking horns. Alright. Let's see. What am I doing wrong with this machine? Oh, I guess I just gotta start hitting buttons, people. There we go. Alright. When all else fails, just fucking hit buttons. Let's see what we got. Well, this push is pretty good. We need a little extra dirt though. I don't think we got enough here. Let's see. What are we gonna do with this Dodge truck? Can we pick it up? Oh man, we could work on the axles. Check it out. We can scoot it over. Nice. Alright, well, she's got some power to her. Only thing is we need a bigger bucket on this fucking thing. So we need the 84 inch. Let's see what else. I mean, that's all I really need to see. You got regular speed. There's slow speed, 2-speed. Oh man, we got windshield wipers. Fuck, that's all I ever care about, windshield wipers. What else? What's on this little thing?
Language for life.
Oh.
Now try Babbel for free. Just go to
I'll be darned, the guy's got a fucking radio in here. Shit.
Welcome back to the quickest.
I absolutely hate that shit.
Today's topic, friends and family safety.
Now they're gonna just want to sit in this machine and never fucking get out. Alright, ladies and gents. Well, that looks like a new machine to the little fleet here. I don't mind Bobcats. I just like cats a little better, but this one seems to be alright. Now that I figured out how it works. Well, it's a little on the loud side, so. Alright, well, let's give it a few minutes. Maybe it auto locks, I don't know, after a minute or two. Alright, so I need to get a bigger bucket. Alright, ladies and gents. It's been a week. And, yeah. So far, knock on iron. Been running pretty good. No issues that the guys have told me about. Not that that means anything, because hell, the machine could be falling out of the back before the guys say anything, and it's only because I notice it. And then they say, oh yeah, we were going to tell you about that. Yeah, sure you were. So anyway, push is good, plenty of power for what we use. Got to get this one fixed. I don't know, they're saying it needs to be rebuilt. I think it's the pickup tube. You got to pull the engine out. There's an O-ring in there on the pickup tube because it's got low oil pressure. I think that cracked and it's sucking air. That's just me, I could be wrong. Shit, 92.7% of my life has been wrong. But I don't worry about that. Hell no. All right, ladies and gents, that's our story of the day. Let's see what we got rolling around in the yard. Still a big pile we need to get rid of. Bunch of forms and, you know, if you weren't a concrete guy, I'm sure you'd walk up and say, wow, that looks like a bunch of shit. I'd almost say that, except for everything I look at. I know it has a dollar bill attached to it, so. All right, gold out. GoPro, quit recording.